Hello friends, our question is find the value of x from expression log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. Now on solving this problem, given that log x base 2 plus log x base 3 is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x. Again solving, we call a rule log a base b is equal to log a over log b. Properties of logarithm. Applying this law here. Log x over log 2 as per rule this. Same here. Log x over log 3 is equal to 5. Taking as a common log x remaining in this term here 1 over log 2 plus here 1 over log 3 is equal to 5. Log x times of taking as a LCM log 2 into log 3, this multiply by here log of 3 plus this multiply by 2 here log of 2 is equal to 5. We call a rule log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Applying this log in this numerator, log x times of log 3 into 2 as per rule this over log of 2 into log of 3 is equal to 5. Log x is equal to this multiply by in this numerator 5 times of log of 2 into log 3 over this multiply by in this denominator log of 3 into 2. Log x is equal to 5 times of log of 2 into log of 3 over log of 6. To base to solve further. This question solving in two base. Solving again further. First base. First way log x is equal to this 5 into log of 2 over log of 6 into log of 3. This log 3 move to left side. Log x over log of 3 is equal to 5 times of log of 2 over log of 6. This log 3 move to left side and shifting in this upon. We call our rule if log x base a is equal to b. Then x is equal to a to the power b. Applying this law of here. Applying this law of here. Before log x base 3 5 times of log 6 log base 6 log 2 base 6, and applying this law here, x is equal to 3 to the power 5 times of log 2 base 6. Euler rule, a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n. Applying this law here, x is equal to 3 to the power 5 whole to the power log of 2 base 6. X is equal to 3 to the power 5 is 243 to the power log of 2 base 6. This is answer. And another base, second way, is log of x is equal to 5 times of log 3 over log 6 into log of 2. This log x is equal to 5 times of log 2 into log 3 over 6. Writing in this form, and this part move to left side. Log x over log 2 is equal to 5 times of log of 3 over log of 6. Applying properties of logarithm, log of x base 2 5 times of log of 3 base 6. If log x base a is equal to b, then x is equal to a to the power b. Applying this law here, x is equal to 2 to the power 5 times of log of 3 base 6, and a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n. Applying this law here, x is equal to 2 to the power 5 whole to the power log of 6 log of 3 base 6. X is equal to 2 to the power 5 is 32 to the power log of 3 base 6. This is answer. First answer is this and second answer is this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.